Forget hypercars and private jets. The ultimate flex in 2027 is a rolling fortress that survives anything and lives like a five-star penthouse inside. This is the 2027 GMC Terra Fortress 6x6, and nothing else on Earth does what this does. Welcome back to Improve Autos. Today, we are going inside and outside the most extreme luxury expedition vehicle GMC has ever built. Let's move fast, there is a lot to see. Starting outside, and this thing stops people cold from every angle. Pure white tactical body shell, massive scale, military command center energy. The front end is pure dominance. Heavy-duty white bumper with an integrated winch ready for any recovery situation. GMC emblem sitting above a stark black mesh grille. Ultra-modern LED headlights with high-intensity amber turn signals framing the whole face. Look down at the tires. Enormous, aggressive, all-terrain rubber wrapped around massive silver multi-spoke wheels. This is a true 6x6 platform, dual rear axles for maximum traction and load distribution across any terrain on Earth. Around back, heavy-duty access ladder running up to the reinforced roof. Full-size matching spare tire mounted directly to the rear wall. Custom bumper housing circular LED taillights, heavy-duty tow hitch for pulling boats, jet skis, or extra equipment. Everything on this exterior has a job. Step through that side entry door and the wilderness completely disappears. Black marble countertops and seamless cabinetry throughout the kitchen and lounge area. Custom orange ambient LED strip lighting tracing every floor and ceiling line. Plush white and black leather sofa on the right. Dedicated breakfast bar looking out panoramic side windows. Rear dining nook with custom diamond quilted white leather wall panels surrounding it. This living space looks like a penthouse apartment with 6 wheels underneath it. Walk further back and the master bedroom stops you completely. King-size bed, tufted white leather headboard, premium black and white bedding, rich dark hardwood flooring. This bedroom is not a compromised sleeping space. This is a proper room. The bathroom finishes the picture. Dramatic black and white marble tiled walls, floating marble vanity with dual sleek faucets, premium fully enclosed circular glass shower stall, warm under cabinet and floor level lighting making the whole space feel genuinely luxurious. This bathroom rivals any 5-star hotel, and it goes off-road. Performance. Moving this fortress requires serious mechanical muscle. High-torque turbo diesel engine or an advanced heavy-duty hybrid powertrain delivering immense low-end pulling power through all 6 wheels simultaneously. Advanced adjustable air suspension reading terrain in real time and adapting instantly. Dynamic 6x6 differential locks engaging when conditions demand maximum traction. This machine moves with absolute confidence over rocky trails, deep mud, desert sands, and mountain grades that would stop everything else completely. The weight of the Fortress never fights the capability underneath it because the platform was engineered specifically to carry it. Pricing. The 2027 GMC Terra Fortress 6x6 starts at $750,000. Here's the honest way to look at that number. You are not buying a truck. You are not buying a motorhome. You are buying a bulletproof tactical shelter, an elite off-road vehicle, and a luxury penthouse living experience all in one machine that goes absolutely anywhere. For the person this is built for, no yacht, no villa, and no private jet does everything this does simultaneously. Would you spend $750,000 on the Terra Fortress, or does a luxury yak still make more sense to you? Comments right now. Like the video. Subscribe to Improve Autos for extreme vehicle reveals every single week. See you in the next one.